Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Shape of Dreams lagging. So first of all, let's see the settings. Just copy my settings, make sure it's everything on low and shadow quality is on off, and we can move on to the second step. Then just open up your search and type power plan. I will show you. One moment. Just open up and type power plan, and right here you will need to go to the power options. I now have only balanced, but you'll need to select on ultimate performance. After that, right click it on your taskbar and click Task Manager. Here, what you'll need to do is find the Shape of Dreams. Let me find it. I can't find right now a Shape of Dreams, but let's say I find the Shape of Dreams game, and what I need to do is basically right click it like this, go to the details, and right here, right click it. And you'll be able to select a priority. So select for Shape of Dreams a high priority. And that's how you should fix lagging issues in Shape of Dreams game. So thank you guys and see you in the next one. Peace.